Hey guys, so everybody, so last video I made was talking about how I was moving to a 6.466 turbo because the twins that I had, the pure stage 2 high flows, were basically out of breath for this built-up motor that I have. So it's been an interesting little journey for the last month. Had the Blue Brothers work on putting the turbo in, of course. They're the only people that work on this car. Probably the best BMW mechanics in Dallas. And didn't really have any issues except for one thing, and I've seen other people post on this as well, having problems with this, and that was the max solenoid. It gave the John, the Russell, the tuner, gave him in long fits for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 days, trying to figure out why it wasn't holding boost right, things like that. Anyway, the ultimate turned out to be a max solenoid, which was like a $100 part to fix or something. So I've seen a couple other people posting about that, and I'm like, just replace it. It's easy. Other than that, there weren't really any issues. Once that was fixed, the tuning went really well. Didn't have any problems at all. So now, I've been tuning the car with John for maybe a week or so. Currently at around 30 psi. He actually just gave me a new map. It was starting to fall off a little bit at around 6850, 8 RPM. The boost was starting to fall off just a little bit from like 30 to about 27, 28, 27, 26. It kind of started falling off. So anyway, he's giving me a new map that's hopefully going to keep it holding strong to the desired RPM shift point, which at this point I believe is going to be around 7,000, maybe 7,100. This motor that I have, of course, if you've seen any of the other videos, it should take, it's got titanium valve train with fully ported raised heads. It should take 7,500 shift points, pretty good, which is fine. But I'm not going to be anywhere near that though, because I have stock cams, and I found out this turbo is basically, this is really interesting. This turbo is basically, in a way, a really good fit for this motor and what I'm planning on doing, because it's already like at maybe 85% WGDC. It's kind of hard to say. One of the things I'm trying to say, I guess, is that this motor, with these brace heads and everything it's got on it, could take more than this turbo. I'm kind of shocked at that, but it's true. But I think that what I'm seeing is that this motor is going to be, this turbo is going to be just fine for my power goals, which is going to be around, quote unquote, around 800. So, if I download this car and I get 750 at least, or more, I'll be happy. Anything after that will just be gravy. Yeah, I'm going to basically create a video this morning that is the video you're watching right now, along with a couple others. I'm going to edit them and string them together. But one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to do a pull with this new map this morning. So maybe some people will like to see that. And I'm going to do that here in just a little bit. So this is video part number 1. And I'm about to create a video of the car idling here in the driveway. Hello again. So we're about to start up the car here and just kind of show it idling.